Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise here. Our Bagger Ape kit. This particular kit is a 14-inch. Okay, beautiful 1¼ bars here. As you can see, very cool riding position. You have to have this offset with a bagger batwing fairing, otherwise the damn things won't work, because obviously they're just going to hit the fairing as they come straight up. That's why the original bars have a bit of a kick as well. We do get people trying to fit normal apes on a bagger. It will not work, I'm sorry. Right, this particular kit's a 14-inch, so with this you get your 2 cables, your idle, your throttle, you get your longer brake hose. This is all black, like your stealth lock, very cool. Your longer clutch cable, obviously your wiring extensions. These literally just plug in, very easy to fit. Plug into your old system, give you a new one. You take your plug off there. The original loom's got these on, obviously got your males on. Put them in here, heat shrink them up, put your plug back on there. Easy as that. Very simple to fit, very good quality. Namps from USA. They make a lot of the original wiring anyway. As you heard, them a Namps plug. But this particular kit, 14-inch, very cool. Also available in black. You know, we do a black kit as well. And as you can see, ready to go. We do up to 20-inch apes or black as well. Give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.